So you worked really hard day in and day out to build your newsletter and the subscriber base. You spend crazy number of hours in making sure that there's quality content that people want to read and continue to subscribe to your newsletter. And now you want to find sponsors. This video is going to help you figure out the deals and convince businesses to sponsor your newsletter. As a business myself, I understand why it can be a challenge for businesses to trust newsletters. Unless, of course, your newsletter is really popular. If you're up and coming or you have even a steadily growing newsletter subscriber base, it can be very difficult to convince businesses to share how much should they pay or figure out a deal with them for sponsoring a particular newsletter email. The easiest way to charge businesses for your newsletter is to charge them on a cost per click and or cost per acquisition model. In cost per click, you charge businesses every time somebody clicks on their link in your newsletter. Because you know about your newsletter and you put in heart and soul and you understand how many readers there are and you put the ideas in the best way to convey the message, you can figure out and say that you want to charge $1 per click or $3 per click or whatever that number is in the industry that you write your newsletters. All a business has to do is to create a YRL private campaign. They will create a private campaign, they'll put in the money that you have figured out or worked out a deal. So say your subscriber base is 100,000 and you're estimating that around 10,000 people are going to check out their product. Then you can estimate that what is each click worth for that business and that industry. And depending on that, you can figure out a cost per click model. You can negotiate this value with the business and you can create a private viral campaign. When the businesses create private viral campaign and share with you, only you can claim this link and you can put this particular link in that email. Every time somebody clicks on this link, they will be instantly redirected to their website. Duplicate clicks don't matter because our algorithm is really smart and that helps the business and gives them the confidence to be sure that the CPC model is working. If you believe that 1 to 2% or 5% of people are actually going to do a particular action, for example, sign up or join the waitlist on their product or buy something, then you can also figure out a cost per acquisition for the sponsoring your newsletter. All of these transactions will be handled by Viral in real time, and our incredible algorithm makes sure that the businesses are satisfied. They can be assured that you are not doing something wrong or immoral. Convincing businesses through a cost per click and cost per acquisition model can be very powerful, and with Viral you can do it very easily. In addition to this, Viral also shares a bunch of great metrics. For example, how many clicks happened from what countries, from what locations and what device types, and this value is available to you as well as to the business, and the businesses can compare these value with Google Analytics completely independent, so they will have multiple sources to validate and verify this information. You, on the other hand, can use this to share metrics with future sponsors and convince them by showing your viral metrics. Using Viral is incredibly powerful because it's a third-party tool. Neither the businesses nor you as a newsletter writer can have any affiliation to Viral, and because of this, trust would not be an issue. I hope your newsletter keeps growing and you keep earning and you find great sponsors and deals and you try Viral. Bye.